Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screen in a Toshiba Satellite c655d. The first thing you want to do before you take apart any laptop is shut it down and take the battery out. After you've done that, you can open it up, and you only need a few basic tools for this, maybe some small screwdrivers and a box knife, which is optional. So the first thing you want to do is remove these little plastic covers on the front of the screen. I prefer to use a box knife, but you can also use a small screwdriver or something like that. And after you've removed all four of the covers, you can take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the four screws which are underneath the covers. And after you've removed those four screws, you can take your finger and run it underneath the bezel and pop it loose. And after you remove the bezel, you can use your Phillips screwdriver and remove the three screws on each side of the screen. Now once you have the screen loose from the bracket, you can lay it down here, and you're going to want to remove the tape that holds the ribbon cable on. And disconnect the ribbon cable. And now that you have your old screen out, you can get your new screen, lay it in place, and connect the ribbon cable. And then use the adhesive that's on there to reconnect it. And take your new screen, put it up in place, and you can start putting the screws back in that hold the screen to the bracket. And now that we have all of those screws in, at this point I like to remove the screen protector. And now you can take your bezel and snap it back into place. And now you can put your four last screws back in, which secure the bezel to the top cover. Now you can take your little plastic screw covers and put them back into place. And now you can put your battery back in. And it's time to test it out. And if everything went alright, it should start working. And that's all you need to know to change a screen in a Toshiba Satellite C655d.